Hello and welcome. In today's video, we will learn how to play Sweet Child of Mine. Make sure that your ukulele is tuned and let's get started. For the intro and the verse, we need chords D, C, G. We're going to be doing strumming pattern down, down, up, down, up, and we're going to do that twice per chord. So let's try the intro. 1, 2, 1, 2, D, go. 1, 2, switch to C, breathe. Switch to G, 1, 2, switch to D. Stay here, stay on D chord. Back to the top, but we're still on D chord. Switch to C, G, D, D, one more time. C, G, and D. The pattern that we just did transfers over to the verse, so let's try that. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories where everything was fresh, blue skies. Stay on D chord, ready, up. Now and then when I see her face, she takes me away to that special place, and if I stay too long, probably break down and cry. Now we're at the chorus. We need chord A, C, and D. This time the chords get one cycle of the strumming pattern with A and C. D will still get 2 cycles. So let me show that, or play along if you're ready. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2. And that's the cycle. So let's add some words. 1, 2, 1, 2. You got this. Go. Oh, sweet child of mine. One more time. Go. After this, we have an instrumental transition of the same thing that we did for the intro. So let's play through it really quickly. 1, 2, 2 cycles each. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Switch. 3, 4, 1, 2, switch. 1, 2, 3, switch. So whenever you're playing the intro and the instrumental parts, you can be free with your dynamics, your loudness levels. But when we're playing the verses, bring the loudness down a little bit so that the voice gets a chance to shine. The next verse and the next chorus are exactly the same as what we've just done. So yay, the next instrumental part is the same, just a little bit longer. And then we have a longer chorus, but it's the same chords. Let's play through that one. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Oh, sweet child of mine. 3 more times. Oh, sweet love of mine. 2 more times, go. Oh, sweet child of mine. Alrighty, now at the end of the song, we have a guitar solo, and for that guitar solo, we need chords E minor, C, B, and A. E minor, we can do, right? It's a staircase down from the 2nd fret of A. C, I'm going to do with the middle finger, just like a door hinge, look up. After I've done E minor, I'm going to door hinge backwards, and I'm at C. Now look up, I'm going to baby bar, meaning the index finger is going to hold down 2 strings, and then staircase down, look up for B. And here's my little trick that I'm doing from B to A, look up, B and A. So from B, I'm going to lose the index finger and go down 2 frets. It's going to give me a cool sliding sound, which I really like. Each chord will get a strumming pattern. Now that's if you want to do the part where there's a guitar solo. I imagine that if you're covering this song just on your own, it doesn't make a lot of sense to include this part because there's a guitar soloing over it. So it would just be a really long instrumental break. Now the next part is really interesting. I really like it. It's got E minor, one full strumming pattern, G for a full strumming pattern, A for a full strumming pattern, and now C and D have to share. So I'm going to give it down, down, up, down, down, up. So each one of those will get down, down, up. So let me play that part. Jump in whenever you're ready. I'm going to play it 4 times as it says on the music. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is happening as a setup to the next part, or the outro, kind of like a chorus. C, D, one last time. You got it. Keep playing this pattern, but get a little softer. Where do we go? Where do we go now? It's really low for me to sing. Where do we go? Oh, where do we go now? Ay, 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 ay. Okay, so I was skipping around a little bit, but you do this until the end of the song. Now, in the last line of the song, you're going to play the same chords, but a little bit differently. Let me play through it, and then I'll come back and explain. Child, sweet child, sweet child of mine. So we've got a full strumming pattern of E minor, full strumming of G, and then one strum on A, then C, then D, and E minor. So the last 4 chords all have one down strum, and that's it. Now, if you're the kind of student who likes to have something printed to follow along with, I am the same way. I have good news for you. I've created hundreds of song sheets and educational resources for you to use, and I've posted them all on my Patreon site. I have a master's degree in education. My emphasis was curriculum and instruction. I love putting together educational resources that I believe will help you learn how to play. On the Patreon site, I also add play-alongs, and I teach lessons via Zoom. Right now, we are learning the intro to this song. So if you'd like to learn things like that, it's also over there. I have the tab there too. My patrons also give me feedback and requests on what kind of printables they want to see, so I've created those for them. In today's video, I've been using the super popular Nova ukulele from Enya Music. The one that I have here is in black. This ukulele comes with pre-installed strap buttons, a very unique sound hole, a personal player sound hole, a strap, a case, and a capo that all match. This ukulele comes in a few colors, so I'll link it down below if you're interested in a really nice sounding, waterproof, modern looking ukulele. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Take care. Ciao.